Yo, what's up? It's your boy Adrian, aka 310. This is my first vlog here at Knott's Boysenberry stuff, whatever this is. I'm here with Kat.
Cuss on YouTube? Boysenberry Festival. What if my kids watch you?
And then Andy here. So yeah, we're walking towards the entrance of the park now. So let's do it. There you go, thank you.
Other side.
Sorry. Alright, we made it in to the park. We don't know what to eat first. What are you guys feeling?
Hungry. Drink.
Ready for a drink? Drunk girl over here. I think I'm ready for a drink too. So we're gonna walk around and see what type of food we get and maybe get a drink. Let's do it. So here's the menu of all the stuff. I'm not sure what we're gonna eat first. We're still sort of looking over. What do you guys think?
Some of the tater tots, the brisket ones.
Okay, well, what about you, Kat? What are you in the mood for?
Probably something to drink.
Something to drink, alright,
Yeah.
sounds good. All right,
Oh, they have
let's
mac
do
and
it.
cheese bites.
Oh,
Nah, just
girl,
kidding.
you can't drink yet? Fine, you can't drink yet. Let's check out the catawampus. What's up, catawampus? Say something, catawampus. Anything. Come on, man.
Where's the baby catawampus?
I don't know. Oh, right there, the baby. Say something, come on. Oh, it says something. I'm gonna go to this one. I want the mac and cheese. The Wilderness Dance Hall patio. Alright, so here's what we got. I got the brisket mac and cheese with the boysenberry beer. What did you get, Andy?
I got the spicy noodles. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna read it. What does
Those
it
are
say?
noodles. And then she also got a boysenberry
The
beer.
Thai green
You didn't get
curry.
anything this round, Kat?
No, we're gonna share.
Okay, cool.
It's a Thai green curry, veggies, and spicy noodle bowl with the
Alright.
boysenberry drizzle.
Okay. Let's try this food out. Alright, so here's our reactions to our food. I'm gonna try the mac and cheese now.
It's good veggies. Noodles.
Yeah, it's really good. The brisket is really nice and tender. The mac and cheese is cheesy, you know what I'm saying? Delicious. What do you guys think of your noodles?
Saucy.
It's good, yeah, the sauce is good. It's just, I need some meat in there. Maybe if I add some brisket. It's just so big, it's only veggies, so it's good.
It's a healthy.
Yeah.
You heard that, guys? Andy and Kat approved. Let's try the boysenberry beer now.
It's not spicy. She said it was gonna be spicy, but
Yeah.
The boysenberry beer, well, you know, it's beer, man, so it's just very refreshing, and you know,
definitely good.
so now we're walking through the boardwalk. There's Kat and Andy. The only thing that sucks about, you know, this partial opening, I guess you call it, is that we can't ride any of the rides. So I really missed the rides. So hopefully soon we'll be able to ride the
Have you done
rides.
that one before?
Somebody win me a Pokemon. This is probably one of my favorite rides here. There's a few eggs here. Is it specific eggs you have to find, or?
Found 4.
That's what I'm saying. Like, is it like random eggs, or is it like specific eggs? There's a few here. There's one there. There's one there. There's 2 back here. So I don't know.
Do you have to sign something or like found it.
I think it's specific eggs because there's like eggs everywhere. Jumbo eggs. That's hilarious. The homies are just chilling.
Boysenberry.
So we're still walking around. I think it's time for a drink though. Me and Andy are getting kind of thirsty, right?
Yeah.
Kat can't join us yet. She's a little too young for drinking, but you know.
Nobody gotta know.
Nah. I ain't trying to get in trouble.
Y'all get banned on YouTube.
So Andy and Kat went to go get a boysenberry smoothie. So I got my roseberry cider here. I'm gonna try it out.
Guests 2 years and older are required to wear a face mask.
It's really good. It's very, tastes like boysenberry, I guess, or roseberry, whatever that is. Got a little orange in here, so you know, pretty refreshing. Yeah, so I'm just chilling, waiting for Andy and Kat. Enjoying my beer. Or my cider, actually. So the girls are back, they got their drinks and stuff. What did you get, Kat?
I got the boysenberry icy and 10 out of 10. Actually 11 out of 11
It
out of 10.
comes with the ice cream on top though, I think, but she didn't want it, so the lady gave it to me.
Okay,
It
cool.
tastes like McDonald's ice cream. Then.
I just tried the boysenberry smoothie, it's really good. We tried the ice cream.
I think it's just vanilla. I thought it was gonna be boysenberry flavor.
It's like soft serve. It's really good.
McDonald's.
Oh, and I got the Heal the Bay Hazy IPA.
Yep, I know how much
It's
you love your
by-
hazies.
What was it by Golden Road.
Golden Road.
That's good.
And as I mentioned earlier, I got that roseberry cider.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
About 1 out of every 1,000, 100,
Oh, wow.
maybe 1 out of every 100. This is a light lavender amethyst. You can see it in there. You have a golden colored calcite down in the bottom there. The amethyst will fade under natural sunlight. It's what they refer to as a twilight stone. So if it's in direct sunlight, it will fade to clear quartz. That was a very nice amethyst about 20 years ago. Now it's mostly clear quartz.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Alright, so we just left the geode shop. Kat got a, what was it?
Cat, I got it.
Whoa, yeah, she got
I
it.
chose this, so it's called my name, but it's a light lavender.
You say you got it?
I get half of it. I
And
think.
they like split it in two. There's a clip of that, but I guess they're each gonna get a half. So now we're just figuring out what we're gonna do next, and we're gonna continue walking around.
Kind of feeling the macaroni and cheese balls with the fries.
Yeah, I think that sounds good. What about you, Andy? What are you feeling?
Yeah, that sounds good to me. Sounds good.
All right, mac and cheese balls it is.
They got a pastrami sandwich.
You gonna get a sandwich? Which one?
No, I don't know. I don't like pastrami.
Oh, okay then. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get anything from here either. All right, so we're sitting down now. We got the mac and cheese bites. Let me take off my mask.
Let's
It
try
comes-
this first.
It's with the sriracha ketchup. No?
Yeah, it's called
Ooh, it's the boysenberry.
The boysenberry sriracha
hot.
ketchup. That's what it comes with. And yep, Kat's right. These are pretty hot. Let's see.
Cheers.
Oh,
They look like
cheers.
little chicken nuggets.
Interesting. It literally just tastes like deep fried mac and cheese. That
Like Kraft.
yeah, Kraft mac and cheese, just literally deep fried. The sauce gives it a nice little flavor.
The sauce is good. It's
Try
like
this.
sweet and tangy, I guess.
Yep. Overall, we
10 out of 10.
looks like we like this one too. Pretty good.
This one's like a popular one, no?
I ended up buying the boysenberry agua fresca. I'm gonna try it for myself. Oh wow, that's really good. It tastes like Andy said earlier. It tastes like the Northgate ones, like the what's the one that you usually get?
I feel like the watermelon one.
The watermelon one. Oh hi dog. There's a dog that passed by. It tastes like a regular agua fresca, just boysenberry flavor.
Like I don't know if I'm tasting like guava. No, not guava. Maybe watermelon.
Throw some of this in there.
Tastes like the watermelon one.
You tried it, Kat?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see Kat's reaction.
It's good though.
It's refreshing. It's like cucumber.
There you go.
Yeah, cucumber.
That's oh wow, yeah. Yeah.
Well, they had a cucumber one, but I'm pretty sure I got the
No,
boysenberry
it
one.
has some cucumbers in there.
Oh.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, so that's our thoughts on the boysenberry agua fresca. So we decided to get a little coffee break because we were falling asleep sitting at that other table. So Andy got the boysenberry what?
Latte.
Boysenberry iced latte and soy milk. Kat got the boysenberry boba tea.
Yeah.
And I got
Milk
the
tea.
milk tea, okay. And I got the caramel brulee iced coffee. So we're gonna enjoy these and yeah, cheers. All right, Andy, what are you gonna get?
Not yet.
Ah, don't get shy now.
Okay, I'll tell you
All
guys.
right, what is she
So
getting?
she's gonna go and look for a ceviche.
Okay.
And I'm just vibing.
All right. Kat over here with the good vibes, and then Andy over there being all shy and stuff.
I'm gonna look for, what did I say? I don't know, I kind of want the macaroni.
More macaroni,
yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll see what's
They're that
popping.
good.
All right, so I got the shrimp taco from the cantina place, and what did you get, Andy?
The shrimp ceviche.
And then we met up with some fans. Hey, what's up, Ivan and Jam? What'd you guys get?
Philly cheese fries
Oh, and the agua fresca.
with the carne asada.
Cool. So we bought a grub right now.
So,
And then
good.
I got the Estrella Jalisco beer, and Andy got a michelada. She loves her micheladas. So we're gonna get me and Kat's reactions to, well, I got my shrimp taco. See how this is.
yeah. Good, made it.
This tastes like your typical shrimp taco with the coleslaw. It just has that little hint of boysenberry sauce. And then the chips, pretty good. So Andy got her spirit jersey. Nice. They didn't have her size, but you know, this one worked out, right?
Yeah, there was only extra smalls and extra large. So
Oh my god.
they were pretty big. This is an extra small, and I'm usually a medium.
Yeah, it looks big. So Kat got a spirit jersey too. She's matching with Andy.
Vuelta, vuelta.
Gira. So I got the carne asada pizza. I used up my last, whatever this is. And yeah, I'm about to try this now. It's not bad. It just tastes like a regular pizza with a little hint of that boysenberry sauce. The carne asada is pretty good. It's like very tender. So it's got a little flavor to it. So yeah, pretty good pizza. Not bad. All right, cool. So you guys got some desserts. What'd you get, Ivan?
Boysenberry pie.
Cool. And you, Jam?
Macaroon.
And you, Kat, same thing?
Macaroon.
Yeah, so how do you pronounce this? Macaroons, macarons?
Macaroon.
Comment down below what you guys think the pronunciation of this is. Macarons, macaroons, macaroonies, whatever. So to end the night, we got the boysenberry Cosmo. I'm gonna try this drink out right now. Oh, it's very good. It has that, obviously, that boysenberry taste, and it's very sweet. Yeah, that's the best way to describe it. Andy got one too. So did Kat. Psych.
I think it has little like seeds or what is it? The pomegranate.
Can I please do a review on my drink?
No.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Water.
So,
Water. The high quality H2O.
it tastes so like the log ride.
Like a log ride.
Like the vlog, guys.
Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the night. We're about to go home. This was fun. So hopefully you guys like this. Go ahead and comment and like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys' favorite part.
See more of us.
Yeah, if you guys want to see more of me, everybody, let me know what your favorite part of the vlog was, or if you've come to this Boysenberry Festival, let me know down below in the comments. This is 310 Adrian. Peace out, y'all.